On August 6 of 1945, one of the most technologically sophisticated weapons known to man was used for the first time on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. A 15-kiloton gun-type fusion weapon loaded with over 145 pounds of highly radioactive uranium, an atomic bomb codenamed Little Boy. The result was over 100,000 Japanese fatalities over a period of 60 seconds. Though many military analysts believe that one nuclear detonation over a large populated area would be enough to bring a swift end to the Second World War, Japan was determined to fight on. Meanwhile, a second atomic bomb, codenamed Fat Man, was ready for use. With no sign from the Japanese government, the decision has been made to attack another city. This time, the primary targets will be Kokura, and the secondary target will be Nagasaki. The mission begins similarly to the attack on Hiroshima, as two weather reconnaissance B-29s were sent out to scout the targets early in the morning. The Enola Gay is back in the air to gauge conditions over Kokura, while Major Charles Sweeney will pilot the delivery aircraft, a B-29 called Boxcar. However, during pre-flight checks, it had been discovered that the fuel pump for one of the reserve tanks had malfunctioned, which significantly cut the amount of time the B-29 can remain in the air. After a short discussion, the decision was made to continue with the mission. At 3:47 a.m., Boxcar and its support aircraft, the Great Artiste and Big Stink, lifted off to Ninen Island and made their way toward the rendezvous point at Yakushima Island. Unlike the mission 3 days prior, this operation was far from smooth. 2 hours into the flight, a red warning light on Fat Man's fuse monitor unexpectedly starts flashing, which indicates that some of the bomb's fuses have been activated. Fearing the bomb is about to detonate on its own, weapons specialist Frederick Ashworth goes to investigate and discovers that ground technicians accidentally misaligned 2 circuit switches. Ashworth quickly resolves the issue, and every man on the aircraft breathes a sigh of relief. When Boxcar arrives at Yakushima Island at 9:10 a.m., the Great Artiste soon joins, but not the Big Stink. Despite being told to wait no longer than 15 minutes, Major Sweeney circles for another 40 minutes, waiting for the final B-29. Unfortunately, the Big Stink got lost in dense clouds and won't make it to the rendezvous point. After receiving word from the Enola Gay that weather above Kokura offers enough visibility for a bomb run, Sweeney decides to proceed with the mission and sets course for Kokura. At 9:50 a.m., Fat Man is armed, and the crew prepares themselves for the climactic moment ahead. Meanwhile, weather conditions begin to deteriorate over Kokura, just as the Enola Gay has left the area. Worse yet, Japanese defenses are put on high alert after the departure of the weather aircraft, which will make the mission more difficult. Boxcar and the Great Artiste arrive over Kokura at 9:44 a.m. to find the city shrouded in clouds and dense dark smoke. The aircraft initiate a bombing run, but the bomb